Okay guys, I've been getting this particular question from most of my subscribers asking me the best trading time for trading boom and crash. Okay, probably they want to know if it is in the morning, very early in the morning, in the evening, or in the afternoon. Okay, but that is not the question you should be looking for. Okay, because that does not really matter, because this is traded 24/7. Okay, and there's no opening time, there's no closing time. Okay, so this is very important. But there is one thing you all should put at the back of your mind before you start trading. Okay, that one thing will be revealed to you guys in this video. If you can get that in, then definitely you will always be in profit all the time, and I will share that with you in this video. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, do your own personal you should do your own personal practice. Okay, you should practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right there. Like I said earlier on, there have been so many questions on that aspect, asking me the best trading time to trade boom and crash. That is not the question you guys should be asking. Okay, the question you should be asking is, how do I understand the trend of the assets which I want to trade? If you are trading boom, you should know the best time, the best trend for it. Okay, and if you are trading crash, you should know the best trend for it, and you should only go in when you are in that trend. Okay, it also depends on what you are trying to achieve. Are you trying to buy or you are trying to sell? If it is boom, if you are trying to buy the spikes, then it is another story entirely. If you are selling boom, then definitely it is also another story entirely. So let's go straight to the chart so that we understand all this. So like I said earlier on, the only thing you guys should look out for is the trend. Once you are able to understand the trend of the market, then definitely you are good to go. Okay, the trend is very important compared to the exact trading time. Okay, boom and crash are synthetic indices and they are traded 24/7, and of course there is no opening time, there is no closing time. Okay, and of course you have the opportunity to trade them at any time of the day. It all depends on the trend of the market. Okay, so if you are not trading the spikes in boom, then definitely it should be on downtrend. That is on downtrend. Okay, when the market will be selling. Okay, you have more selling opportunity when the market is on downtrend. And of course, if you are also trading the spiky part, then definitely it should be when the market is on uptrend. You can see the way we are highlighting them one after the other. So these are what you should look out for before you decide to go into the market to trade any of these assets. The same thing is applicable to crash also. So but the problem that most of us usually have is that we don't know how to identify the trend. Okay, we don't know how to identify the trend. That is why we always go in at the wrong time or get it wrong. For instance, let's say we're trying to trade to sell boom. Okay, so definitely it should be when the market is on downtrend, and that is within this period, and it should be coming from the resistance zone. Here is a resistance zone. When I told you that when you open your chart, at the top of the page is a resistance zone and is a major resistance zone, and below it at the bottom part is the major support zone. Okay, once the market is approaching a major resistance zone, then you should know that it is getting to a major resistance zone, and there are two things that should happen right there. The CIT is the first strategy you should apply there, and if the CIT is not working, then definitely the the BRO will work. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, if the CIT will not work, then definitely the BRO will work. Okay, so these are the two major strategies that you should look out for. Okay, if you have been following up with my videos, you will understand all the strategy. What is CIT? It means a change in trend. Okay, change in trend means that it has gotten to a resistance zone, it has been buying, and it's got to a major resistance zone, and of course we should expect it to change the direction of the trend from an uptrend into a downtrend. And what are the things that we should look out for? Okay, this has actually got into the resistance zone right here. So the first thing we should look out for is the trend signal. Okay, here is the trend signal. You can see it's changed from yellow flag into a red flag. Okay, so which means the market is going on downtrend at this point. Then the next thing we should look out for is a sell signal, which is the red arrow. It is different from the blue arrow. Okay, so you go in with the sell signal. Okay, so that is it. You can see just a single sell signal from here. A single sell signal from here took us to the very last of the last part of the support zone. Okay, so this is so unique, okay, and beautiful. You can see you will definitely be in profit all through these trading activities. And of course, guys, like I've always been telling you, whenever you place an order, you should have your stop loss in place. Your stop loss should be at the top right here, and as your order is going in the right direction, then you should adjust your stop loss to lock up some part of your profits. Okay, so that is how it works. So you can see you can easily identify all these. Okay, it's got to the resistance zone, and of course gave us a red flag, which signifies a downtrend, and of course we got a sell signal right from here, which is the right signal to trade or to go for whenever the market is on downtrend. Okay, so you can see it took us to the very end of the trend. Okay, now let's check out when the market was on uptrend. Okay, this is when the market was on uptrend. It came from the support zone. We got a yellow flag, and of course gave us a buy signal, and this gives us opportunity to buy from the beginning of the trend, which is at the support zone, till the very end of the trend, which is at the resistance zone. So you can imagine, so this is so beautiful. And there are also places where you can come in. If you miss the first place, which is around here, here is another place, and here is another place, and of course here also is another place, and this will have given you more profit at the end of the day. So this is so easy to follow. Okay, most especially if you're having this trading tool, it is very easy to follow. But if you're not having, you just need to know how to identify your trend, and you will be able to milk the market successfully. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.